doctor here, bringing you all the latest analysis, price predictions, and trades of your favorite coins. And without further ado, as you know on the channel, we love to start with the money flow analysis, right? And the money flow tells us what is happening behind the scenes. And currently, as you can see, we have 2.7% of large buys, 30% of medium buys, as you can see, 18.76% of small buys, 1.72% of large sales, right? 27% of large sales, and we have 17% of small sales. So this is very, very positive, right? Even for HBAR, as we would be paying attention. As you can see, we said the large buys are very, very important in the push, right, of any cryptocurrency asset. And as you can see, our large buys are more than our large sales, giving us a positive inflow, right? As you can see, if we push down to our total, we have a total of 88.63 million HBARs which were bought, right? And you can see currently we have about $80.36 million of HBAR which were sold, and we have an excess of about $8.27 million which were bought, an excess inflow about $8.27 million of HBAR, which is very, very good for HBAR, as we could see the bulls coming in to buy a lot of HBAR at the moment, right? So if we push them to our charts, right, as you can see, we always, as you know, our analysis price always moves from levels to levels. As you can see, all our levels have been drawn, right? And every single time we price pushes below one level, we should be expecting price at the next level. So from what we are currently seeing on the chart, as you can see, we should still expect one more downside even for HBAR. Probably this week we could see a huge consolidation, as we have seen the bulls coming, but as you can see, we are steadily pushing to the downside, and so we should still see one downside, which I believe it's the low, or should be the low, even for HBAR, which is at the 0.03968 level, right, before we see any form of upside. But mind you, we are still very, very bullish on HBAR on the channel, right? But as you can see, we are seeing the bulls coming, right, to support HBAR currently at this level, right? But we should still be expecting one more push to the downside to the 0.03968 level, right, which I believe should be the bottom, right? And if we look at some of our indicators, as you can see, we are approaching very, very huge oversold levels, even on our indicators. As you can see on our money flow, this is one of the hugely oversold level on the strength index, right? Even for our strength index right here. Also, as you can see on the stochastic, as you can see, we are approaching very oversold levels. So as you can see, we should be expecting a turnaround any point from this level, but I'm still predicting one more low to flush out a lot of people before we begin to see any other highs. But mind you, we are still bullish. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.